In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page from search engines in Hostinger Website Builder. If you have a page on your website that you do not want showing up in search results, Hostinger makes this very simple. This can be useful for pages like temporary promotions, private thank you pages, draft content, or any page you want visitors to access only through a direct link. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click on Website. This will take you to the management area for that site, where you can access the editor and other settings. From there, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can make changes to your site's design, content, and page settings. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see the editor clearly. Once you're in the editor, find and click Pages. This section shows all the pages currently included on your website. You'll be able to browse through the list and choose the exact page you want to hide from search engines. Now, select the specific page you want to hide. Make sure you choose carefully, because this setting applies only to the page you're editing. After selecting the page, look for the three-dot menu next to it and click that menu to open more options. In the drop-down menu, click SEO Settings. This area controls how the page is handled by search engines and how it may appear in search listings. Inside these settings, look for the option labeled Hide Page from search results. Toggle that option on. Once enabled, you're telling search engines that this page should not be indexed and should not appear in normal search results. Keep in mind that this does not necessarily make the page private. Anyone with the direct link may still be able to access it, depending on your site setup. This setting is mainly for search visibility, not password protection. After turning it on, make sure your changes are saved or published if needed. That way, the update goes live properly. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a page from search engines in Hostinger Website Builder. If you need to do this for other pages, just repeat the same process for each one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.